Imagine this. You're gazing up at the night sky, tracing the faint streaks of shooting stars. But what if, hidden among those flashes of cosmic beauty, there was something far more significant, something capable of instantly altering the very fabric of life on Earth? Today, I'm pulling back the cosmic curtain to reveal the astonishing and often overlooked reality of massive meteor impacts. Get ready, not just for information, but for a transformative journey through time, space, and the razor's edge of our planet's destiny. Let's start with a mental image. Every single day, Earth is bombarded by around 100 tons of cosmic material. Most of it burns up in the atmosphere, becoming those harmless shooting stars we make wishes on. And here's where the plot thickens. Some meteors are colossal, silent travelers lurking on the outskirts of our solar system. They've collided with Earth before, and statistically, they will collide again. The question isn't if, it's when. Have you ever wondered why we call them dinosaur-killers? 66 million years ago, a meteor the size of a city collided with what is now the Yucatan Peninsula, setting off a chain of events that wiped out 75% of all living species. But here's a hidden detail. It wasn't the direct impact that caused most of the destruction. It was the after effects. Think tsunamis thousands of feet high, global wildfires, and a nuclear winter that plunged Earth into darkness for years. Imagine a world where sunlight simply stopped. Why don't we see it coming? Here's an uncomfortable truth. Despite all our advanced technology, we still haven't found every potentially hazardous object out there. In fact, NASA estimates that we've discovered less than half of the large asteroids that could pose a catastrophic threat. The next big one could be quietly orbiting, hidden by the glare of the sun or camouflaged by the immense clutter of space. Now tell me, how many near-miss cases have you seen in the news? Probably not many. But did you know that in 2013, a 60-foot meteor exploded over Chelyabinsk, Russia, with the force of 30 Hiroshima bombs? It came from the sunward side, completely undetected. And that's just one of thousands of near-Earth objects that pass by every year, like a cosmic roulette. The power of a single impact. Here's something that might defy your expectations. You don't need a planet-sized meteor to cause mass devastation. A meteor just 1 kilometer wide, about 0.6 miles, could destroy an entire continent. The energy released would be equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs detonating at once. And the effects wouldn't stop at the impact zone. Dust and debris would choke the sky, temperatures would plummet, and the global food supply could collapse in a matter of months. History has shown us this before, in extinction events scattered throughout Earth's timeline. But interestingly, not every impact means destruction. Some scientists argue that meteorites played a crucial role in bringing water and even the very building blocks of life to our planet. Imagine, without these cosmic collisions, we might never have had oceans or even existed at all. What are we doing about it? Here's a twist in the story. Humanity is not defenseless. In recent years, planetary defense has taken a giant leap forward. NASA's DART mission recently crashed a spacecraft into an asteroid to test whether we could deflect one. And it worked. A small nudge changed the asteroid's course, proving we can influence the cosmic billiards game above our heads. But here's the catch. For this to work, we need to detect the danger years, even decades in advance. Now think about this. Every investment in asteroid detection is an insurance policy for the entire human race. Yet, funding for such projects is just a tiny fraction of what we spend, for example, on exploring Mars. What does that say about our priorities? Could it happen tomorrow? So could a massive meteor impact really happen tomorrow? The honest and electrifying answer is, yes, it could. Statistically, the chances are low. But the consequences are so great that even the smallest risk demands our attention. Picture this. An ordinary morning, coffee in hand, and suddenly, a bright streak blazes across the sky. The shockwave shatters windows for miles. Sirens wail. Social media explodes with questions. It could happen anywhere, at any time, with little or no warning. A new lens on the cosmos. But let's flip the perspective. Instead of living in fear, what if we embraced a sense of wonder about our place in the universe? Every meteor that burns up in our sky is a whisper from the cosmos, a reminder that we are part of something vast, ancient, and unpredictable. And every effort we make to study, understand, and protect our world is a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of our species. As you finish this journey, remember, the sky above is not just empty space. It's an ever-changing tapestry of wonders and mysteries. Could a massive meteor impact happen tomorrow? Absolutely. But with each day, our understanding and our ability to shape the outcome grows. The next chapter of this cosmic story hasn't been written yet. Maybe, just maybe, you'll be a part of it. Are you ready to look up, question the impossible, and see our world through new eyes? Subscribe and keep following our channel. This was Phaedos Matrix.